Hello, here is one homework question. It is already sent to you on dated 24th April of chapter 2 based on electric potential, potential energy and work done. This is the question number 2. I read the question. 3-point charges Q1 is equal to 1 microcoulomb, Q2 is equal to minus 2 microcoulomb, Q3 is equal to 3 microcoulomb are placed at 1 meter, 0, 0, in second bracket 0, 2 meter, 0 and in third bracket 0, 0, 3 meter respectively. Find electric potential at origin. From this question we can understand that the charge Q1 is placed at position 1 meter, 0, 0. Charge Q2 is placed at position 0, 2 meter, 0 and charge Q3 is placed at 0, 0, 3 meter. So, in this way we can say that the electric potential at origin, that is 0, 0, 0 meter. So, electric potential V at any point due to any charge or any point charge Q at distance r from that point is given as V equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R, like this. This is point charge, this is point P and distance R. So, here at point P electric potential is given as Vp. You can write Vp is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. This formula you remember, and electric potential has no vector quantity, so it has no direction. Now, from this figure or from this question we can make a diagram, and diagram is as Q1 is placed at 1 meter, 0, 0. So, we make axis here, x axis, y axis, this is x axis, y axis and this one is z axis. So, 1 meter like this point here, and I put here point A, and this charge is Q1. Another charge Q2 at 0, 2, like here at point B, and this charge is Q2. Another charge Q3 3 microcoulomb at 0, 0, 3. I put here point C, and this one Q3, and here is the origin 0, 0, 0, and I put here point P at origin. Now, at origin at point P we have to find the electric potential. So, you know the distance PA. Now, PA is equal to 1 meter. You can write PB is equal to 2 meter. You can write PC is equal to 3 meter. So, electric potential at point P due to all three charges Q1, Q2 and Q3 is given as V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. We put here capital K or K, multiply Q1 upon distance of charge Q1 from point P, and distance is 1 meter, so Q1 upon 1, plus q2 upon distance of charge q2 from P, that is 2 meter, plus q3 upon distance of charge q3 from point P, that is 3 meter, bracket close. So again read it. V is equal to k q1 upon 1 plus q2 upon 2 plus q3 upon 3. Make this LCM. So V is equal to, put the value of k 9 into 10 to the power 9, and q1 already given 1 microcoulomb. So you can put 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon 1 plus q2 is minus 2 microcoulomb. So here put minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon 2 plus q3 is 3 microcoulomb. So 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon 3, and you are getting here 10 to the power minus 6, take common. So this value V we are getting here, V is equal to, I write here, V is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 multiply 10 to the power minus 6 in bracket 1 minus 1, 2 by 2 1, so 1 minus 1 cancel, plus 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. So we are 10 to the power minus 6 already taken here outside, so here inside 1. So we are getting the final result, I write here. So electric potential at origin, I write here at origin, is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power minus 6, that is 9 into 10 to the power 3 volt, volt, you can put answer. So very simple, so simple question, and answer is also simple. So remember that electric potential at any point due to a point charge at a distance r is given as V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r, and electric potential at any point due to several charges can be added together as V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught in bracket q1 upon r1 plus q2 upon r2 plus q3 upon r3 plus q4 upon r4 plus so on so forth, where r1 is the distance, very important, where r1 is the distance from the point to the point charge, individual point charge, and in this way you can find out if charge is negative, put negative, if charge is positive, put positive charge, because it is a scalar quantity. In electric field, if charge negative, while finding the magnitude we put mod, but here no need to put mod. If charge is negative, put with negative in the formula. Thank you so much.